My name is Corey Napier, and I am the proud school director of DSST, Green Valley Ranch High School.
Welcome to the DSST Green Valley Ranch High School Open House. My name is Corey Napier, and I am the proud school director of DSST GVR High School. And I wanted to start off by sharing just a little bit of information about myself. I am a Colorado native, born and raised in Colorado. Attended the University of Northern Colorado in Greeley for my undergrad. Go Bears! And my family and I are proud members of the Montbello and Green Valley Ranch community. I have 3 beautiful kids. My husband and I, we have lived in Denver's far northeast for the past 20 years. I started my educational career just down the street in Aurora Public Schools. I spent 10 years as a classroom teacher and then transitioned into leadership. Spent some time in district offices, and then about 4 years ago made the move to DSST and have been a proud Raptor ever since. When I think about why I joined DSST, I am incredibly excited to be part of a network that believes in excellence and puts excellence first. As you can see, DSST runs 6 of the top 10 high schools here in Denver, and I am proud to be a part of that network. Today, I want to talk a little bit about what makes DSST GVR High School special. I want to share our unique approach to academics and extracurriculars and give a little bit of insight into our school culture so that as you go to make a choice for you and your family, you will consider DSST GVR High School. So we're going to start a little bit about who we are. We are the DSST Raptors. And our Raptor community is absolutely at the heart of what we do. We believe that community, core values, and relationships are such an important part of school, and we absolutely value each other, our community, and the relationships that we have with one another. We believe in high expectations and high support. We set the bar high for all of our students, and we support them along the way as they reach for success. We are a school that believes that college readiness needs to be at the heart of what we do. We prepare students for college, for career, and beyond as part of every decision that we make. We also believe in that 100% bar. Every child, regardless of background, challenges, barriers, etc., every child deserves the opportunity for a world-class education and to become college ready. Our core values tie us together in a way that demonstrates our belief in both the core values and in our community. We think through the lens of respect, responsibility, courage, curiosity, integrity, and doing your best. As a team, we work to show our core values day in and day out, and they are at the heart of what we do. At DSST, we absolutely believe that 100% of our students deserve an excellent education. And the way that we achieve this is through a number of ways. 1, we start with relationships as a foundation. We believe that being connected to one another is what makes us special. Every student is a part of an advisory group. Our advisory is a small group of about 15 students that are connected with an advisor. And that advisor provides academic support, socio-emotional support, and most importantly, community building. As a point of contact for families, we build that trust and relationship through our advisory program. We are a smaller school, and there are definitely some advantages to being a part of a smaller school. Your student will be known in the DSST community. They will be known as individuals. We work very hard to learn everything that we can about your students, about their needs, and we really want everyone to feel like they are a part of the community. Through mental health support, we want to make sure that, again, we are thinking about the whole student, not just academics, but really the whole student from top to bottom. So we do have a full-time mental health professionals on staff. We also provide some after-school tutoring options where students who need some additional help have an opportunity for some small group or one-on-one interactions with their teachers. So that way, that is part of our high accountability and high support model. Here at DSST, as I mentioned, college success is definitely part of our goal. We have a world-class college counseling and student support model, and I would like for you to hear now from our Director of College Success.
Hey there, my name is Brad West, and I'm the Director of College Success at DSST Green Valley Ranch High School. What makes our school so special is the way that every student makes the most of every opportunity to prepare for their future. Whether that means doing their absolute best in class, or signing up for AP exams, or completing internships and summer programs, or finding time to volunteer outside of the school day, or simply building a really awesome college list, our students truly make the most of those opportunities to get ready for their future and to achieve their goals.
Mr. West is absolutely right here. Our kids are incredibly special. In fact, we are so happy to celebrate that for the past 10 years, 100% of our graduating seniors have been accepted into a four-year college or university. This is a huge celebration, and it is definitely part of our college-going culture. Our college-going culture and college programming begins in 9th grade. Your student will start hearing about specific college learning as freshmen. We want to make sure that our college seminar curriculum is deeply aligned to the feedback that we're hearing from our alumni, and to make sure that we have students who are set up and ready to be successful in college. We offer a number of college visits throughout the year. We take students to campuses to get tours, to hear from students. And as students are really starting to think about which college is for them, we have opportunities to make those college visits even more personalized. We also offer a college fair every year where representatives from colleges across the country come to us and share information about their schools with our students. We really do believe in a deeply personalized approach to college counseling and college success. We have an entire college counseling team that is solely dedicated to college success. Each student is paired with a college counselor in their junior year, and that person really supports through the entire process, from looking for colleges to financial aid to writing college essays, and having multiple individual family meetings as well. So that way, parents and families are a part of the college-going process. As you can see here, we are extremely proud that DSS high schools outperform Colorado high schools with similar student socioeconomic makeups when it comes to college readiness, as measured by the SAT. Here are just a few of the many, many colleges that are currently attended by DSST graduates. We're going to shift a little bit to academics here. We have absolutely a world-class and diverse education academic program. Your child will receive a world-class education while engaging with diversity in backgrounds, experiences, and viewpoints that prepare them for 21st century college and career environments. While we are a STEM school, we also emphasize the liberal arts so that students are getting a well-rounded education through our academic program. As incoming 9th graders, this is what a course schedule would look like. 9th graders will take a composition class, which is required as an English credit. They'll take a humanities class, which is a hybrid of reading and social studies. We have a math track, we have an honors track, as well, so students will take either Math 1 or Math 2 honors. Every 9th grader will take physics their freshman year, and every 9th grader will also be enrolled in a Spanish class. We have a beginning Spanish class or a Spanish for native speakers class. We also have a number of core electives and PE classes, and I want to talk a little bit about the electives right now. As freshmen, you will have 3 electives, one each trimester throughout the year. Those elective course offerings are Introduction to Bioscience, we have Creative Engineering, we have an Introduction to Computer Science course. We have 2 arts courses. One is Performance and Directing, and the other is Technical Theater and Design. Also, we have an Economics course and an Entrepreneurial Studies course. All of our core electives are offered to 9th and 10th graders, and then as you progress to 11th and 12th grade, you get to pick an area to specialize in a little bit deeper. We also provide a range of honors and AP courses as well. We have a number of AP courses that students can take to start earning those college credits while they're still in high school. Something that really sets DSST apart from other schools is the internship program. Our students, every junior, your 11th grade year, you will take an internship for 1 trimester, which is about 50 hours. And what this means is that you'll have an opportunity to be on site with business owners, professionals, and different people in the field based on your area of passion or interest, and you will spend time learning from a mentor in a field that you're interested in. And then you'll have an opportunity to show off what you've learned through your internship, through our internship showcase. This is a great way to start making some connections in a field that you're interested in pursuing. We've had a number of students who have actually stayed connected with their mentor from their internship, and they've provided jobs after college. If you want some more details about the courses that we offered or our academic programming, we have a brochure and a course catalog on our website, so please make sure to check that out and reach out with any questions. We're going to shift a little bit here into beyond academics. We all know that part of the high school experience is not just what happens in the classroom, but also what happens outside of the classroom. We have always enjoyed and celebrated our athletics. Here are some of the athletics that we offer here at DSST Green Valley Ranch High School. We have cross country, basketball, soccer, volleyball, and cheerleading. And then we partner with the Far Northeast Warriors on a number of other sports as well. I wanted to take just a minute to let you hear from our athletic director.
What up, everybody? It's your boy, Mr. Austin, coming to you live and direct from DSST Green Valley Ranch. I'm here in the world famous gym, the only gym in DSST that has this much space and that many championship banners. Once again, we back here in the Hall of Champions. And why are they called the Hall of Champions? Because we got all of these things. That's right. DSST GVR. Look at these championship banners, these championship trophies. This is what makes us so special. Not only are our kids great in the classroom, but they're great on the court as well. You see those goals behind us? You see that? What is that right there? State championship. The only DSST school that has a state championship is right here at DSST GVR, and that's why we are the best school in the network.
Beyond athletics, we also have a number of clubs and activities and way that students can get involved. We have a performing arts program that puts on a number of plays, musicals, and shows throughout the year. We have our incredible robotics team that competes in robotics competitions at a state level. And we have a number of other opportunities for students to get involved. Our list of clubs and activities we're always adding to it. We love when students have ideas about clubs or activities that they would like to see on campus. And we are really proud that our clubs and activities are all student-driven. We also like to have fun. We have a number of events and traditions at DSST High School that really contribute to our student culture. For example, one of my favorite traditions at DSST GVR is our bonfire. We have a bonfire each January to celebrate our basketball team, roast marshmallows. We have a great time. We also do an annual dodgeball tournament, students against staff. It's a really exciting event. And then we always have people cheering on our sports teams. And we really just enjoy things like Spirit Week, assemblies, and awards. That was a little bit of a look into DSST Green Valley Ranch High School.
Thank you so much for joining us. I know it was a lot of information, and it's likely that you still have some questions about DSST Green Valley Ranch High School. Please feel free to send me an email, and I will get back to you with any answer that you might need in order to help you make a decision that's best for you and your family this coming school year. Thanks so much.